So we saw impressions from StartHack. We had many partners, we had many challenges from partners for the teams we're working on. So I'm really glad to tell you shortly something about the team p2People that will come first on stage. It's a team from Technion in Israel, and they made an application that will basically make traveling easier for everyone. It's really great to have this team here since it really incorporates two of our big focus topics, which are Israel and mobility. So I would just like to call the team p2People on stage now.
Hello, my name is Batchen Jose, and I'm an aerospace engineering student. This is Gil and Adab. They're both graduate students of mechanical engineering. And this is Omer. He is a computer science student. And together we're p2People, a group of students from the Technion, Israel. So last weekend, we participated in the StartHack hackathon. We chose to work on the challenge of SBB company. The challenge was to develop a solution that allows people to travel independently thanks to easy access and nearby assistance. How would you feel living your life with limitation? You can go to work, you can travel to the park when you want. People with disabilities struggle with this reality every day. And it's about time we make a change. Our vision is to allow everybody to travel everywhere they want and every time they want.
Introducing the p2People app. This app has three main functionalities. The first one is to allow you to plan your accessible trip ahead of time using frequently updated Street View service. The second and most important feature of this app is to allow a user to receive instant assistance from the people around him. This is accomplished by direct communication between mobile devices at short proximity. The third function of this app is to allow the community to share information about obstructions and inaccessibility points within the train station. This gives the community a crowdsourcing-based updated information center. In our project, we implemented peer-to-peer technology using P2P-Kits API. This technology allows two unfamiliar mobile devices to communicate with each other without any cellular reception or internet connection. In addition to the user experience, the train companies can receive very helpful statistical data. For example, they can receive data about the preferable routes accessed by people with physical limitations. In addition, they can receive hotspots of problematic areas regarding inaccessibility within the train station. This app is for you, for me, for everybody. This app is not only about helping people with disabilities. This app can also help families with baby strollers, cyclists, or basically everybody who needs help at the train station. This app is here to build a community.
Now we will present a short demo of the app we worked on during the 35-hour hackathon. So we decided to focus on two main features. The first one is Let Me Help. For example, if you're in a train station and you encounter an obstruction, you can take a photo of it and share it through the app to the community. The second one is Live Assist. If you need any help in the train station, you can press this button. Next, you can provide your location, and by pressing on Send Help Request, the app will automatically broadcast the message to all of the other users around you using the P2P technology. This is an example of how it looks like for the other user. If he chooses to respond to your help message, you will know that help is on its way.
So we built a fully functional application in only 35 hours with a small team. Imagine what we could do with a funded project in a little bit more time. Looking to the future, we envision three main directions of which we can develop. The problem of inaccessibility in public transportation does not end with train stations. We can expand our app naturally to all forms of public transportation. This will help more people in more situations. In addition, the community that we are building is made up of real people having real-life interactions on a day-to-day basis. We want to empower our community by making it easier for them to communicate, connect, and help one another. The more our users are engaged, the better our solution. And lastly, we understand the power of machine learning and computer vision, and we understand that it's transforming the world. We see this as an opportunity to make our app even better and more automated. For example, we can automate the process of detection and classification of obstacles, as well as analysis and optimization of the paths that we recommend to our users. Before I end, I just want to remind you of our vision: accessibility for everyone. Together, we can build a more accessible society. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Team P2People. Next on